All right, I'm here with Raul, and he's been doing some stuff. He's been keeping busy. He bought some tax liens. It's been, what, maybe 6 months? How long ago?
Tax liens I bought actually 3 months.
3 months ago. Okay, cool. So talk a little bit about the process. The tax liens are in Florida. What was it about tax liens that made you want to look at those, and what made you feel comfortable kind of pulling the trigger and buying your first few tax liens?
Well, first of all, through the training I received, I went and did searching for the properties on using Marketplace Pro. I found a few that I was interested, mostly in empty lots, land, due diligence, making sure I'm buying something good and not something that's going to bite me in the rear. Once I felt sure about it, I went ahead and went, as the process goes from the training, I went ahead and clicked the button, purchased them. And now, with some time, I need to go. But I think it was, they had several other liens before them. So I know I can go ahead and do a TDA to foreclose on it. And that will be my next step.
So you say you use Marketplace Pro. Did you work with any coaches to help them look over liens before you bought them so you know you got into a good deal?
I had worked with some coaches more months before. I can't remember the names of two different coaches. And then from the training and the videos that were recorded in the training, I went back to go over what I had learned then, went from there.
I love that. So even though you might not have needed them immediately, you were able to get the confidence because you looked at the past trainings, you looked at the videos. Marketplace Pro is a good thing. And what I like about this is I tell some people that when you come to the expo, all the coaches are here, all the people are here. And we literally say, if you need help with something, just grab one of us and we'll pull you over to a coach. And me and you were just talking. And I was like, hey, you bought some liens. Did you file the TDAs? And he was like, well, not yet. And I was like, well, let's grab you a coach. And we walked one right over to you, and you're going to sit down, and literally 2 minutes after we finish this, you're going to file some TDAs, right?
That's correct. I do still have their contact information, so I know I can call them anytime.
So being that somebody comes in, let's say you came into the first 3-day class, probably a little bit excited, a little bit skeptical, a little bit kind of roller coaster of emotions. You decided to take a little bit of a leap. Talk about what that process was like for you. Like, what made you decide that this is something you wanted to move forward with, and this was somebody you wanted to do this with?
Yeah, I like the idea of it, getting some kind of income from it. Probably not like wholesaling or fix and flip to start. I do want to get into other things also, and it's something I want to eventually get my children into. I have one of my sons here today, and he's getting some information and he's enjoying it. So hopefully he's going to work with me at first and then eventually get his own business going.
I love that. I think that that's absolutely incredible. If there's anybody who's sitting at home right now watching this, wondering if tax liens and deeds are for them, wondering if tax lien wealth builders is something they want to be part of, what's your experience like? What would you tell somebody else as far as your confidence now versus 4 months ago before you got into this?
Yeah, my confidence definitely has gone way up. In the beginning, I wasn't sure exactly what it was, real it is, but now that I've been going through it and I actually made some purchases of tax liens, and now I can go on to the next step. Yeah, anybody who's interested, who wants to make something from this, go for it.
Awesome. And I do want to just make a big point here that there's going to be times in that journey where you're a little lost, not really sure what to do, not really sure who to go to. All you have to do is grab one of us at any point, call, email, and say, hey, I need some help. And everybody's always going to reach out and make sure we're helping. So if you have any issues, you reach out, you grab that gentleman right there, Tony, and we'll make sure we get you taken care of. Thank you. That's super cool.